Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down and looked at your credit report and felt really worried? Maybe you saw a collection account from a time ago. Maybe there is a payment that is hurting your score, and you do not know what to do about it. Maybe someone told you that credit repair can fix everything, and someone else told you that it is all a scam, and nothing can be removed. So which one is right? That is exactly what we are going to answer today, honestly, without any confusion or fear. Because here is the truth. Credit repair is not magic. It is not a scam. It is a process with real rules and real limits. When you understand how it works, you stop being afraid of your credit report and you start taking control of it. So let's get into it. Why there is so much confusion about credit repair? The reason people are confused about credit repair is because of misinformation and people taking advantage of them or manipulation. Some companies promise to fix your credit report. They overpromise and often say they can remove bankruptcies and bad debts. Everything. They make it sound like a miracle. When they fail to deliver, people feel scammed and hopeless. On the other hand, some people think that credit repair is a lie because they got burned by those companies or they heard bad stories, that they now believe credit repair as a whole is a lie. They think nothing can be removed from their credit report. They think they are stuck with credit forever. That is not true. The truth is in the middle. It is based on law, not opinion, not promises, just law. There are two laws you need to know about. The first one is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. The second one is the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA. These laws govern what can appear on your credit report, for how long, and under what conditions it can be challenged or removed. Once you know these laws, you understand credit repair. When you understand credit repair, your financial future starts to look different. What can be removed from your credit report? Let's start with the good news, because there is genuinely a lot of it. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, every item on your credit report must meet two criteria. It must be accurate and it must be verifiable. If it fails either of those tests, it does not belong on your report. That is not a loophole. That is the law. So what kinds of items commonly fail those tests? Let's go through them. Errors and inaccuracies. This is the most straightforward category. Credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion collect data from hundreds of thousands of data furnishers, banks, lenders, medical providers, debt collectors. With that volume of information flowing through the system, errors are not rare. They are common. You might have an account that does not belong to you at all, a case of mistaken identity or mixed files where someone else's data has been attached to your credit profile. You might have a debt that was paid in full, but the creditor reported it as still outstanding. You might have a late payment that was marked incorrectly, or a balance that reflects an outdated figure. All of these are disputable. All of these can be removed or corrected when properly challenged. Outdated information. The FCRA also places time limits on how long negative information can legally remain on your credit report. Most negative items, late payments, collections, charge-offs, repossessions, can only stay on your report for 7 years from the date of first delinquency. Bankruptcies under Chapter 7 can remain for 10 years. After those time periods expire, those items must be removed. If a bureau is still reporting them beyond the legal window, that is a violation, and it can be disputed and removed. Unverifiable items. Here is where the process gets particularly powerful. When you file a dispute, the credit bureau is required by law to investigate it. They must contact the original data furnisher, the creditor or collection agency, and ask them to verify the information. The furnisher has 30 days to respond with verification. If they cannot verify it, because the records no longer exist, because the original creditor sold the debt and the new collector has incomplete documentation, because the company went out of business, or for any other reason, the item must be removed, not moved to a different section. Removed. This is why professional credit repair, done correctly and legally, has real power. It is not about tricking the system. It is about holding the system accountable to its own rules. Now let's talk about specific types of items that credit restoration services work with. Late payments. Late payments are one of the most common derogatory marks on credit reports. A single 30-day late payment can drop a score significantly. These can be disputed if they are reported inaccurately. For example, if you made the payment on time, but it was processed late due to a banking error, or if the creditor failed to update the status after a payment arrangement was honored. Collections. Collection accounts are another major target for disputes. Collections are frequently bought and sold between agencies, and in that process, information often becomes inaccurate or incomplete. Dates change, Balances are reported incorrectly, and in some cases, the same debt appears multiple times under different collection agencies, which is a clear violation. Inquiries. Hard inquiries occur when a lender pulls your credit to evaluate an application. They stay on your report for 2 years and can slightly impact your score. Unauthorized hard inquiries, ones you did not consent to, can be disputed and removed. Repossessions. If a vehicle was repossessed and the information reported is inaccurate, incorrect balance, wrong date, improper status, it can be challenged. Charge-offs. A charge-off occurs when a creditor writes off your debt as a loss. These are severe negative marks, but they are subject to the same accuracy and verification requirements as any other item. Evictions. While eviction records typically appear in public records and background checks rather than directly on credit reports, when they do appear through collection agencies reporting unpaid rent, those entries are subject to the same dispute process. Bankruptcies. Bankruptcies are among the most challenging items to remove before their legal reporting window expires, but errors in how they are reported, wrong filing dates, incorrect chapter type, discharged debts still listed as outstanding, are absolutely disputable. Judgments. Court judgments follow similar rules. If they are inaccurately reported or past their reporting window, they can be challenged. Child support. Delinquent child support can appear on credit reports. If the amount, status, or reporting date is inaccurate, it can be disputed through the proper channels. Student loans. Student loan reporting errors are more common than most people realize, particularly with federal loans that have been transferred between servicers. Payments applied incorrectly, forbearance periods not accurately reflected, duplicate reporting. All of these are grounds for a legitimate dispute. What cannot be removed? Now here is the part that separates honest credit restoration from the predatory promises you need to avoid. Accurate, verified, and legally reportable information cannot be permanently removed from your credit report through a dispute. Let that sink in for a moment, because this is the core of what makes a credit repair company trustworthy or not. If you genuinely missed 3 payments in a row, and the creditor has full documentation of it, and the item is within its legal reporting window, that item is going to remain on your report until it ages off naturally. A dispute will be filed, the creditor will verify it, and the bureau will maintain it. That is the law working exactly as it is supposed to. No legitimate credit restoration company will promise to remove accurate, verified information. Any company that makes that promise to you is either misleading you or planning to use deceptive tactics that will ultimately harm you more than help you. Accurate negative items do not stay forever, but they do stay until their legal reporting window closes. The realistic outcome in these cases is not removal. It is strategic planning around those items, understanding their weight on your score, and building positive credit to offset their impact while you wait for them to age off. This distinction is not a weakness, it is integrity. And it is the difference between a company that will leave you worse off and one that will genuinely help you build a stronger financial future. What you should do right now, whether you decide to work with experts or do it yourself here, is what you should do away. Get your credit reports. Every American can get a credit report from each of the 3 main credit bureaus. Look at each report carefully. Check for accounts you do not know, about balances that seem incorrect, late payments that do not match your records, and items that should not be on the report anymore. Write down everything you find. Note the item, the credit bureau that reported it, and why you think it is wrong or cannot be verified. This information will help you dispute the item. Know your rights. You can find the Fair Credit Reporting Act. You have the right to dispute any item you think is wrong. You have the right to get a response within 30 days. You have the right to know what will happen to your dispute. Using these rights does not cost you anything if the process seems hard. And for many people it can be, dealing with multiple items across multiple bureaus, it absolutely can. This is when getting help from experts can be very useful. Credit repair cannot fix everything. If someone tells you it can, they are not being honest. Credit repair can fix a lot. All the mistakes, all the wrong information, all the unverifiable items that are hurting your credit score and limiting your options. And that power, used correctly within the bounds of the law, is enough to make a real difference in your financial life. If you have late payments, collections, inquiries, repossessions, charge-offs, evictions, bankruptcies, judgments, child support reporting, or student loan issues showing up on your credit report, the experts at 𝐲𝐻𝐿.com are ready to review your situation and help you. We will look at your situation, explain what can be fixed and what cannot, and give you a plan to move forward. Take the step today. Go to 𝐀𝐻𝐨𝑒consultant.com to schedule a meeting and find out what you can do to improve your credit. The people who know how the system works are the ones who benefit from it. Now you know how it works too. Go to 𝐻𝐻𝐨𝑒consultant.com. Let the experts help you. Wise Consulting Enterprise. We could help you in such.